So what are you making today, babe?
Roasted chicken leg quarters with some special ingredients. I'm not gonna tell you. You have to watch the recipe or read it. Turn on that cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. We're gonna mount it up. We're in a temperature switcher.
You keep wiping the Jeep.
Guys, you're sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
So why you put the oil and garlic down first?
Because when you put the chicken leg quarters on, the garlic doesn't burn on top of it. With the marinade, it actually just kind of soaks in from the bottom. It's really good. So I'm just gonna mix this a little bit. I want the chicken leg quarters to set on it. Some of these are really big. Okay. You see how they set right on the garlic? Yeah. And you just let them roast right on top of that. After we put the marinade on, of course. Okay. I'm just putting the skin underneath because it's all nice and crispy. Okay. They're in there as good as they can get. Now we're gonna make the marinade. All right, let's see. More oil, olive oil. Gotta do balsamic. Getting low. There we go.
So what you just pour on?
Well, I usually do, but I don't know. This one works better with one of these. I guess it's because it's all the seasonings. I want to make sure I want to get all of them out there evenly on all the chicken. Yeah. I want them to have an even amount of all these seasonings. Because sometimes the seasonings can fall to the bottom. Now pour a little bit there. Leave any skin or meat exposed. Gotta be full of marinade. I think that's all we can do. Okay. Ready to marinate.
How long do you marinate for?
20, 30 minutes, something like that. It's pretty much all I need. I mean, you can marinate them longer, but if you're wanting dinner earlier. Oh, they're even splitting. Oh, yeah.
Y'all stay tuned.
Okay. I haven't started doing that. Okay, Brian.
Oh, my bad. Can I wash my hands?
Yeah. My poor kid.
He wanted to come out.
Okay.